Linkus UC clients come with Linkus mobile client, Linkus PC client, and Linkus web client. Well, this video will show you a quick view of Linkus web client. So, enough talk, let's jump in. First thing first, you will need to use your personal user information to log into PC system directly, and here comes the web client. Now, on the web client panel, the first thing we have here will be extensions. We can use this panel to manage our extensions easily. And we can also click on here to switch from this extension group to others. By the way, if we want to call those particular extension users, we can simply use these buttons to trigger an audio call or a video call. Besides, if we want to chat with this particular extension user, we can also click on this button to trigger the instant message feature. Right over here, we'll be able to share documents, we'll be able to send emojis, and we will also be able to start a group chat. Besides, on this Linkus web client, you can easily switch your presence right over here. And we can also go click on contacts to manage our company contacts and our personal contacts easily. By the way, if we have a contact who's out of our contact list, you can always use the dial pad to call this particular contact directly. And sometimes, if we need to have a quick discussion with our colleagues or our contacts, we can also use the video conferencing feature right over here. Without any additional configuration, you can simply click on this particular button to trigger this video conference feature right now, right here. And in a video conference, we will be able to support 5 participants. And by the way, in this particular video conference, it's totally web-based. We can simply share this meeting link to other participants to join the session. And during the session, we will also be able to control our mic, control our camera, and we can also use share screen feature to share some important documents or presentations with our partners. Here's the chat panel, by the way. We can also type something to chat with our participants during this session. Okay, so that was all for the video conference. Let's get back. Some other features available on the Linkus web client will be this. For example, you can always see the call logs, voicemails, recordings. These are all going to be synchronized from your PBX. So you will be able to have the same information on your web client, on your mobile client, on your PC client, and even on your IP phone. And one more thing, you can always click on Preferences here to customize your personal information. By the way, on the Linkus web client, we do support function key feature. This feature gives you totally 120 function keys, and for each one of our keys, we will be able to have 12 key types. Last but not the least, on the Linkus web client, if you have some heavy duty on your daily communications, we also provide you a very dynamic solution for helping you to manage your service center and your entire phone system. For example, if you're running a service center, you can always use our call center console. Here we provide you the queue panel. So for those who are in charge of the service center, you can easily use the queue panel to figure out the real time of our current calls from our customers. And we can also use our mouse control by simply clicking or drag and drop to distribute calls to those agents. By the way, we can always switch those agent status easily here. Another thing we have here will be the word board. For agents, they will be able to check on the word board to figure out the entire team's performance easily. For example, like how many calls do we have there? How many waiting calls do we have there? What about the SLA? And etc. One more thing we have on the Linkus web client will be the operator panel. So if you want to use our web client to manage your calls, no matter what it is, the incoming calls, the outgoing calls, the inbound calls, or even the outbound calls, all of these, they're going to be fully posted on this panel by real time. So once again, you will be able to use our web client to easily control all these calls by simply mouse clicking and drag and drop. Alright, so that was all for this quick view of the Linkus web client. Need more details? Please visit our website www.yaser.com or subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.